Tuesday, the 12th of May 2020, and this is my first time warp video using my GoPro 8 Black. Wow. I set it on auto, so the GoPro software is deciding which how many frames per second it's taking. Going up London Road. I do this cycle ride, this route, so many times it's making me slightly dizzy to think that, you know, if I were to go that fast. It's Dover Castle, so I just disappeared from the horizon, just about to drop my hat. There you go. I'll not drop it, wind blew it off. Frith Road, turning into Salisbury Road, then down Albert Road and meeting up with Mason Dew. Now heading towards the coast. Crossing Castle Street, Gateway Flats in front, turning left towards Eastcliff. There you are, going up Eastcliff, turning round in Athol Terrace, going along in front of Eastcliff Marine Parade. Wow, that makes me dizzy. Now I'm on the seafront. Go up to the very end, turn round, and I'm heading towards the new Marina Pier at the other end of the seafront. Good grief. This is the pier. I'm about to turn off at the end. I'm about to set off back home now. Hope these two video clips join up together okay. A20, I'm going up to Lime Street roundabout, turn round and then heading back into town. I remember I tried to look at Dover Castle, keep that in view. York Street, Folkestone Road, heading up to Dover Priory rail station to pick up the Metro, the free newspaper. I like doing the puzzles. There you go. Give you a quick glimpse of the headlines. Round the roundabout, back down Folkestone Road, Priory Road, the High Street. Here's the Tower Hamlets turn off. I've never gone up this hill so fast in my life. Turn right at the top, East Street, West Street, Robson's Yard, park up and stop.